Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Samsung free feeds. So in my case I got activated this function, and now I'll show you how you can turn it off. Just press for a second with your finger on your screen and just swipe to the left here and just tap here on the Samsung free switcher to turn it off. And now we'll check that. Just go back, and as can you see, we just deactivated this function. If you want to turn it off, just repeat the action. To turn it on, just repeat the action, go there and tap again on the switcher. Now just go back, and as can you see right now, we just turn on the Samsung feeds. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.